If you don't do this, you'll always be poor. Welcome to Muslim Millionaire, where we explore the journey to financial freedom with ethical strategies for earning and investing. Today, we're diving into something that most people overlook, but can change your financial future entirely. The truth is, if you don't do this, you could stay in the paycheck to paycheck cycle forever. And what is this critical change? One word: investing. Why do most people stay broke? Most people struggle financially not because they don't work hard, but because they spend their money on the wrong things. You see, too many people are caught in a loop of buying liabilities, like new cars, the latest phone, bigger TV. While these feel good in the short term, they're actually costing you your future wealth. Think about it. Every dollar you spend on things that don't grow in value is a dollar you're not investing into something that does. If every dollar spent on a new gadget was instead put toward an asset, like a stock or ETF, where would you be financially in 5 years? 10 years? So if liabilities keep you broke, what can make you wealthy? The answer is assets. Assets grow in value over time, and one of the simplest, most accessible assets that most people can get is ETFs, or exchange traded funds. We have a full video talking about halal ETFs and our top 5 ETFs. Make sure to check it out. ETF is like a basket of stocks, which means you don't have to choose individual companies. By investing in ETFs, you get access to a diversified portfolio with lower risk. They're also managed by professionals, and some pay dividends, which means you're generating passive income while you sleep. When you invest in ETFs consistently, something amazing happens. Thanks to compound growth, your investments start to grow on their own. Over time, the money that you earn on your investment generates even more money, and this effect snowballs. Let's take an example. Imagine you invest $100 a month in an ETF. Most ETFs earn between 5 and 10% annually. Let's take an average of 7%. After 10 years, that's over $17,000. But if you leave it invested for 20 years, it can grow to over $52,000. This is the power of investing in assets and letting compound growth work for you. If you're not investing, inflation is silently eroding the value of your money. Today's $100 won't buy the same things in 10 years. Just letting your cash sit in the bank means you're losing wealth every year, especially with inflation rates on the rise. On the other hand, investing in assets like ETFs means your money has a fighting chance to outpace inflation and grow. So instead of losing value, your money gains value over time. It's like putting your money to work for you. Common misconceptions. Some people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, and that's just not true. Many people also think that stocks are risky. While many stocks are risky, ETFs are very safe. Here's the truth. You can start with as little as $50 or $100 a month, and ETFs are one of the safest ways to build the wealth. You're spreading out your risk across multiple companies, not putting all your eggs in one basket. So how do you get started? How do you start investing? First, open an account. Look for the ones that offer commission-free trades on ETFs. I'll give the example of Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a great one. Questrade is another one. Next, pick a diversified ETFs that fits your goals. Consider broad market ETFs. Again, we have a video that talks more in depth about which ETFs to choose and our top 5 ETFs. Here's the most important part. Be consistent. Whether the market is up or down, keep investing that same amount every month. This is called dollar cost averaging. It lets you buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high, balancing your overall cost. Long-term benefits of investing. Over time, this strategy can mean the difference between financial stress and financial freedom. While others are buying liabilities, you're building real wealth with consistent ETF investments. You'll reach a point where your money is working harder than you are. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building steady, long-term wealth. And that starts by investing in assets and avoiding the trap of spending things that only drain your bank account. If you don't start investing, you're setting yourself up for a future where financial stress and limitations control your life. But if you take action now, even if it's just a little bit every month, you're choosing a future of financial freedom and security. So make a choice today and start building real wealth. Like, Subscribe and comment below if you're ready to start building wealth. Stay tuned for a video where we do a step-by-step walkthrough of how to open an investment account. And make sure to follow us on our socials. Links in the description below. Remember, wealth isn't just earned, it's grown. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.